Welcome to the Medicare Minutes. My name is Keith Nabb of Affordable Medicare Solutions, and each week we're going to bring you vital information that affects our seniors' lives, their health care, and their prescription drug prices. Well, today we're going to talk about Medicare premiums. Yes, Medicare is not free. There is a charge to participate. So Medicare has two parts. Part A, which is the hospital coverage, generally has no premium. But Part B, which is the outpatient portion of Medicare, does have a premium. This year it's $174.70 per month. That might go up $10 a month next year. We'll find out later. But how do you make that premium payment? Well, it depends. Nobody likes it when people say it depends, but it does. It depends on whether or not you receive your Social Security income yet. If you're already signed up to get monthly checks from Social Security deposited in your account, well, the government's just going to take your Medicare premium from that before they make your deposit. That makes it really simple. It's automatic. But a lot of people have been delaying taking their Social Security income, and they're going to wait till maybe they're 70 years old. Well, then the government will send you a bill, a quarterly bill for your Medicare Part B premium. That's 3 months times $174 or so. So if you want, please make that premium payment quarterly. I'd recommend especially the first one. But if you want to make a monthly payment, you have to fill out a simple form. It's called an Easy Pay form. And you fill that form out, give them your checking account information, and they'll just start taking a monthly deduction out of your checking account. Some people don't want the government messing with their checking account. They just want to pay online. Well, finally now, you can go to Medicare.gov, G-O-V, Medicare.gov, and you can create an account and you can make your premium payments there, and you can earn your points on your credit card. That's great. And then you can decide later on when you're going to take your Social Security check, and then the government will automatically take out your premiums for you. So check back each week. We've got more Medicare Minutes coming up, and we're happy to help you. Call my office for more information.